Machines used to replace muscle. Now they replace thought. Artificial intelligence isn't just automating tasks, it's rewriting the structure of global labor. From data farms in India to prompt engineers in California, a new industrial class system is emerging. Today, we explore how AI is not just a tool, but a force reshaping the architecture of the global economy. In the 20th century, economic class was defined by factory floors, blue-collar workers, white-collar managers, and the owners of capital. But the rise of software blurred these lines. Then came AI, and with it, a hierarchy not of job titles, but of model access, data control, and algorithm literacy. The tools of production are no longer physical. They're invisible, gated by APIs and driven by prompts. We're entering a new economic paradigm, one where the factory is a GPU cluster, and the worker is the one who speaks the language of machines. In 2023, OpenAI and Google's models became global platforms, and suddenly, a new elite class formed. Those who could afford fine-tuned models, buy access to proprietary APIs, and build AI-native businesses gained leverage. Meanwhile, traditional outsourcing hubs like the Philippines and Bangladesh saw a collapse in microtask demand. The impact was brutal. AI didn't replace one job, it erased entire categories. A Kenyan content moderation firm lost 80% of its business in 6 months. Invisible labor vanished overnight. We are watching the rise of two new classes. The prompt-owning elite, founders, engineers, and investors who shape the outputs, and the global task class, who merely react to them. The AI-driven economy no longer rewards effort, it rewards orchestration. Data flows from users to models to capital, and value concentrates at the top. Even creative labor is stratified. The artist who trains the model earns little. The startup that sells the output scales rapidly. The result is a silent reorganization of economic power, without protest, without noise. Today, India's back-office sector is retraining for AI-assisted operations. In Indonesia, legal assistants are being replaced by fine-tuned legal bots. In the US and Europe, high-skill jobs are being hollowed out, not by unemployment, but by invisible dilution. A single prompt engineer can replace 50 writers. An AI-generated video can outpace an entire production studio. Nations that adapt AI as an industrial policy, not just a tech trend, will dominate the new economy. This is no longer about automation, it's about alignment. In early 2025, a major consulting firm revealed that 72% of Fortune 500 companies had silently reduced their human content and design teams by over half. No layoffs, just tool integrations. The real workforce wasn't fired, it was absorbed into models, dashboards, and silent AI scripts. It wasn't the rise of robots, it was the compression of value chains. We used to ask, will AI take our jobs? That question is outdated. The new question is, who controls the AI that replaces us? Because in this economy, writing the prompt means writing the rules. The means of production have shifted, not to the hands of the many, but to the minds who code. Yuval Noah Harari. If strategy, history, economics, and finance shape the world, this is where they converge.